Hi viewers, I thank you so much for joining us this time once again. I really appreciate that a lot, and I really want to continue to say that your presence here means a lot to me. It means a lot to the channel as well. Therefore, I'm also going to do my best to put on good content for you so that you can actually benefit from whatever we do here. Actually, it's something that has been bothering me when people say, oh, maths is difficult and all that. Yes, at times when you don't understand the concept, it becomes very difficult for you to be able to solve one or two problems. So for you saying it's difficult, I think there's nothing on this earth that is just seemingly not difficult. You know, things are difficult though. We have to pass through a lot before you can get things done. And it's sometimes stressful. But then you put your mind on it, work hard towards it, you're going to get it done. For you to be able to solve math questions easily, you need to get the basics done. Once you have the basics, there will not be any other question that will come across, and then you won't be able to do something about it. You won't be able to do something about it. For instance, if you want to solve simultaneous equations, then you need to make sure that you know how to deal with how to solve simple linear equations. You get that? If you do not know how to solve or simplify simple linear equations, it becomes very difficult for you to solve simultaneous equations. Comparatively, you need to make sure that when you solve simultaneous equations, it means you are going to resolve at a linear equation or a linear function where you have to simplify it to get the value of x or whatsoever they are looking for. So if you don't know how to find or to maybe to find the value of x in a simple linear equation, it becomes very difficult for you to deal with simultaneous equations. This is just a common example I'm putting across here. So for you to be able to become a champion or a master in mathematics, you need to know the basics. And when you get the basics at your fingertips, any question that's all you get, you put the basics together, put the concept together, and you work it out. It's lovely associating yourself with mathematics. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. And I really appreciate all those who are part of this journey. Please kindly subscribe if you have not done so. Let's solve this problem together one more time. All right, we have been asked to simplify 12xy all over 7 multiplied by 14x squared all over 20. So, solution here. All right, so we're going to simplify this very shortly. That's 12xy all over 7 by 14x squared all over 20. All right, so let's look at the common factors. If we can cancel here. 7 here 1, 7 here 2. So do we have some common factors here? We can just go straight to multiply. Okay, so we have 12x squared y by 2. Or let me put it this way. Let me put it this way. All right, so 12xy is multiplying by 2x squared. So you're going to get 24x squared y all over 1 times 20 is going to give us 20. This is going to give us, okay, let's say 5 here, 4, 5 here, no. Let's say 4 here, 5, 4 here, 6. Am I right? So that we will be able to simplify it very easily. So 4 here, 5, and 4 here, 6. 4 could be a common factor in both sides. That is the 24 and that of the 20. So let's use 4. So 4 here is going to give us 6. 6x squared y all over 5. Okay, so 4 here, 5, 4 here, 6. So this becomes the answer to this problem, or this has become the simplification of this. Because we have to simplify it, to write it to the simplest form, to get 6x squared y all over 5. So basically, this is how it's supposed to be simplified. To get 6x squared y all over 5. This becomes the end of this particular episode. And I thank you so much. Please kindly share the video. Share. Continue to share, okay? Share to more groups. Encourage people, subscribe. We don't actually do maths here. We do a lot. But for now, maths is our focus. Because there are a lot of people who actually need it more, to cross to some certain level of their educational levels. And some need it for their business purposes. I encourage everybody to make sure that this channel becomes their friend. Thank you so much for being part of this. I love you all. Bye-bye.